Hello, hello, and welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves. It's day 5. How are we feeling? And the song of the day is an unreleased song of mine that has just been, making me feel good. But this song, oh my god, I can't wait to release this song. So be on the lookout for that song because you can't actually listen to it for the song of the day, but it's called Only One by the one and only Akira. And moving on into the question for the day is, if you knew that you could get something in your life that you've been wanting, let's say a desire in your life is going to manifest into your life, but you have to get rid of something that is taking up space in your life right now, what would that be? What would you let go of? It might be something that you've probably been contemplating, but like if you knew that if you get rid of this thing, that thing that you've been wanting is going to come into your life, what would you get rid of? That's what I want to know. So that's the question for the day, or picking your brain for the day. Duh, come on. But we are going to continue where we left off yesterday. So let's go ahead and take 3 deep breaths, and on your 3rd breath, make sure it is the deepest one that you've taken for the day. Let's do it. Okay, ready? Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last one, make it deep. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Let's dive in. I forgive myself for any mistakes I've made in the past and allow myself to move forward. Every single day, I am aligning more and more with my purpose, and I can feel it in what I do and how I move. I love myself to the fullest and am surrounded by love in each waking moment. I am welcoming love with open arms. I am ready to receive all that is meant for me. I am allowing myself the time to walk in my purpose and embody who I am fully. I am offering myself patience as I move forward day by day. I am loving myself more in this season. I am tending to my needs gracefully. I am pouring into myself and those who pour into me. I accept help when it is offered to me. And I make no excuses for why I should not. I am ready and open to receive love and blessings. I am ready and open to receive love and blessings. Today, I am grateful for life. Okay, say it like you mean it. Today, I am grateful for life. No matter how heavy or how light it may feel. The power of love lives inside of me, and I still believe in it. I deserve love and am capable of being loved just the way I am. I find love everywhere that I go. Moving into throat chakra affirmations. Those were heart affirmations, heart chakra affirmations. I always speak in terms of success and prosperity. I remain calm and collected when I speak. I remain calm and collected when I have a message to convey. I speak with confidence and clarity. I speak with confidence and clarity. I am a patient and attentive listener. I am a patient and attentive listener. I have great communication skills and am working on bettering them. I am clear and concise in my verbiage. I am clear and concise in my verbiage. It sounds beautiful. I always voice my opinions in a calm and considerate way. I always take part in intelligent discussions. I am a deliberate listener, pausing to reflect before responding. I listen to respond, not react. I listen to respond, not react. One more time. I listen to respond, not react. That is beautiful, beautiful. Now we're moving into third eye chakra affirmations before we close out this video. I am wise, intentional, intuitive, and connected to my inner guidance. Each day, I am fine-tuning my frequency so it is easier for me to tap into me. You know you're gonna say that again. Every day, I am fine-tuning my frequency so it becomes easier to tap in to me. I love that. I trust myself. I trust myself. I trust my body. And my intuition. I seek to understand and learn from my life experiences. I seek to understand and learn from my life experiences. I am connected to my higher power. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me and making no excuses to make more time for you every single day. I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend.